Hi, this is my week 3 recorded update for my CSI 492 Capstone project. This week we mainly focused on user analysis. User analysis is pretty much asking the users what they would like out of the application. So this week we met with two people that I know personally and got pretty heavy into it. I prepared a bunch of questions prior to meeting up. We met at Sammamish Klahani Starbucks, and I explained to them, I called them up, and then I explained to them the situation as to what was going on, and they stated that they were more than happy to do this with me. So yeah, let's jump right into the questions. How much time do you want to spend when you order your firewood? Participant 1 answer was less than a minute, and participant 2 pretty much said the same thing. Where do you order your firewood? One was when I'm not working. Got a typo there. And the second one was when I need it. And then I asked, so you would like to be able to do it mobile? And they said yes. I forgot to mention that yeah, they both are Android users. They're not iPhone users, since this is going to be an Android application. Third question: when do you order your firewood? Participant A said when they're about to go camping or during the fall when it starts getting cold. Participant B, they concur, the fall. How do you want to pay for your firewood? This is a big thing. A lot of firewood customers want to pay cash, and that's what their answer was. They wanted to pay cash. Both of them. They do not prefer credit cards. And then, do you have anything else to add? Participant A stated, asked when will the app be available? And participant B said, feel free to call me at any time. These are both customers that I have worked with over the past 5 years, and they do request that their information be kept completely anonymous. They are willing to take part in testing to help work out bugs on a customer level, not as an actual tester. And below are the meeting details. 11 a.m. Saturday, April 21st at the Klahani Starbucks in Sammamish. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it was informational.